If you've ever tried connecting monitor arms to the back of your desk, you'll know that monitor wobble can be a really annoying issue. This setup completely resolves that by separating the monitors from the desk entirely. When I first got my standing desk, I tried attaching the monitors with my existing monitor arms to the back of the desk, but there was a lot of wobble, and even when I raised the desk to a comfortable position to type, the monitors were too low. So I knew I needed to take the monitors and completely separate them from the desk. So this is where the wall-mounted standing desk by Uplift comes into play. It has a single column, plenty of vertical adjustment. I can get the monitors wherever I need them to be. It's relatively low profile on the wall, and it bolts straight into the studs. Super easy setup. Instead of buying the included desktop, since I'm not using this as a regular standing desk, I bought a piece of 2x10 board from the hardware store. I put that right on top of the wall-mounted desk, and then I was able to directly clamp my monitor arms that I already had to it, and it works great. So there are a lot of cables that run to the wall-mounted standing desk. There's HDMI, there's power for the monitors, there's a USB hub, there's a mic cable, there's tons of stuff. So in order to avoid a big rat's nest behind the desk, I use one of these accordion style cable management sleeves. It works really well, it keeps everything maintained, and it can bend so it never snags the cables or gets them in a bind. Now my actual desktop surface is just a regular standing desk from FlexiSpot, but I've made a couple modifications to it. I didn't like the crossbar that was under the bottom of the desk. Whenever I lowered it down, it would press into my knees and it was uncomfortable. So what I did is chop the old frame out of there, take a routing tool and create a recess on the bottom of the desk, and then I made a new frame that sits inside that recess, welded it to the legs of the desk, and luckily I didn't break anything and it works great, and I can get the desk completely down flat to my knees now. Some other cool details about this room, this setup: behind the camera right now there's a couch and a projector, and just out of frame above me there is a pull down projector screen, which is really awesome. I can game or watch movies on the couch. It's great. Also, another random cool little detail about this room is in the corner there is a real slot machine from a real casino. The rest of the setup, the computer back here, has been covered in another video. If you're interested in the specs or anything like that, you can check out that video. Monitor is still the same. 3D printer, still the same one I used in a different video. If there's anything else you want to know about in this setup, let me know down in the comments. If you know another way to eliminate monitor wobble, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.